Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of the 70My Smart Dashcam Pro. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, I have Design Award 2019, picture of the dashcam, and 70My right up here. On the bottom, as well as the top, it says 70My Smart Dashcam Pro. On the sides, it says www.70my.com, and on the back, you have the barcode, serial numbers, specifications, and all that stuff. So, a knife right here. Let's get into the box. Right on top, we have so right on top we have the dashcam itself. Put it aside. Right in here we have the mount for the dashcam. What seems to be the instruction manual. The in-car charger with the USB port on one end, and this one goes into the power outlet or cigarette lighter. And right here we have no idea what this is, but I shall update you later. And right in here we have the USB cable, which is USB-A to micro USB. It is a pretty long cable, so yeah. Okay, so inside this packet, which I've just discovered, contains the manual together with a couple of electrostatic stickers. While this one is actually the what they call the wiring tool. So I guess it helps you fix the dashcam to the windscreen of your car. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this 70My Smart Dashcam Pro. Thanks for watching and goodbye.